In this video, I'll show you how to allow microphone access on Discord mobile. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you on this video. At first, open up your Discord. If you love to allow microphone access on Discord, let me say if you click on this microphone option now, you're going to be able to enable the permissions, right? So microphone does not have access. So what you need to do now, go to your settings. Go to your settings. Come on here, type your microphone. So this is it. So you can see the Discord does not have access, right? So if I click on it, if I go back to my Discord, so this is how you can be able to allow microphone access here on Discord mobile. If it's below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.